Great companies are built on generations of experience and a commitment to quality. Our family's journey in this industry began more than a century ago. In the early 1900s, our grandfather started working as a handyman. By the time he was in his 20s, he had already opened his own hardware store and began selling heating equipment. Years later, when I arrived in Canada in the late 1980s, at just 23 years old, I wanted to continue that legacy in a new country. In 1992, Cozy Comfort Plus was founded with a clear goal to provide reliable, professional, and customer-focused heating and cooling solutions for homeowners across Ontario. Over the past 3 decades, we've grown thanks to referrals, repeat customers, and long-term relationships built on trust, quality, workmanship, and exceptional services. Today, we continue that tradition, helping families stay comfortable in every season.